I say bounce, 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 bounce.
As soon as I found that, I flipped that. I'm a little bit different, they get it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. What? I say I'm back, and I'm better. So, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dwin and welcome to Dwin's World. So guys, I try to post once a week. I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and join the I'm Back and Better squad. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing an Elfin hair review. I'm gonna try not to talk a lot because just get to the point. So I'm gonna just tell you guys what the hair is about. I'm not gonna be installing the hair. I'm just gonna be doing a review on the hair, and if it's soft, if it's thick, how much it costs, where to purchase the hair. Everything is gonna be in the description box below. I hope you guys like this video, and let's get into the video. I'm gonna go ahead and open this hair up for you guys. Guys, oh my gosh, yes. So this is what the bag of the hair looks like, guys. This is the hair, guys. This is what I'm talking about. The packaging is so cute. Like, pink is like, it looks really nice. So it says Elfin hair, best quality and most competitive price. www.elfinhair.com. So let's go ahead and open this up, guys. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Dun, 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 dun. Hold on one second. Sis, they got me some lashes. Okay, they got me some lashes. These are really nice. Back in the days when you order hair and it sent lashes, it used to be those ugly lashes. I'm gonna put a picture right here. Like them ugly, like $1 lashes that our moms were wearing. No, sis, this is really cute. This is like 3D. Okay, so now this. I don't even know what to say. They also send these little cute hair clips with the hair. Yes, baby girl. Got to be rocking this. This is so cute. This is in style and out of style. Like, some people just be wearing it just to wear it. Like, with every outfit, I feel like this should be styled with a specific outfit. So I'm definitely gonna be wearing that. Came with a wig cap, the brown one, because you know I'm brown. Duh. Black. Well, I'm black, but like my scalp is brown. Yeah. And then basically instructions. It gives you instructions on the hair. 100% human virgin hair. Basically, this is what the inside just gave you instructions on how to take care of the hair and what to do. I love their packaging so far. And then this one just have the Elfin hair products, and basically they have like a little cute note here for the customers. This is really, really cute, and like the type of hair, take photos and reviews and install the hair at Elfin Hair and stuff like that. So yeah, you can also follow them on Instagram at Elfin Hair. First of all, why am I telling you guys to go ahead and follow them on Instagram like this is a sponsored video or like I'm getting paid? Like, I spend my own money for this product. Like, you guys can go ahead and follow them if you want, but like, why am I acting like I'm getting paid when I'm not? Like, first thing first, this is a 30-inch hair that I purchased. Straight human hair, 100%. The one thing about the packaging that's is giving me like beauty supply packaging. I don't know, just like, you know how like when you go to the beauty supply and try to buy human hair, like the package should come in. This is what this looks like to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the hair out. Ooh, da, 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 da. Yes, baby girl! That's what I'm talking about. Take the cap off. Okay. Hey. Okay. So, this is the hair. This is like a, this is a closure. I forgot to tell you guys. This is a closure this is what the hair look like. 30! Do you guys see this? Do you guys see the bounce that's in this hair? When I say bounce, 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 bounce. This hair is thick and luscious. Like, do you guys see the quality of the hair? And I'm putting my hands through the hair right now, and I'm not getting any shed. Nothing. The hair is so thick. Let me open it up for you guys. Like, the hair is so thick that even when you pluck the hair, yo, I don't even know what to talk about this hair. Like, it is bomb.com, okay? So, the hair is a closure, like I told you guys. This is a closure. It comes with 3 clips, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And also, it have the length on here. Before you guys think, oh, this girl's lying, she ain't got no 30-inch hair, bitch. 30 inch, baby. You see the 30? Y'all see the 30? I want you guys to see the 30. Look at the 30! It also comes with like a little clip-in band to adjust it in the middle of the hair. So, one thing I can say about this hair, it is thick. It's thick. It is so thick and luscious and nice. Like, this is what I'm talking about when we're talking about hair. So what I'm about to do, I don't have a ball cap underneath this hair that's on me right now. I'm just gonna whip it up, okay?
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Look at you.
Hair is not pre-plugged, right? You have to plug it yourself, and I'm not gonna be doing any of that on camera. I'm just showing a review of the hair and what a hair looks like. This hair is so freaking thick. I love it. This is how long the hair is. It is silky black hair. So nice. Like, it goes all the way down to my butt. Like, you guys see how thick this is? All the way down to my butt. Like, I took the hair off, obviously. I told you guys I was not gonna be installing it on camera or like plugging or anything. It was just a hair review. This hair prices is gonna be in the description box below. It is really, really thick. Like, if you love thick hair, this is the hair to go to. Like, thick hair is good to get thick hair because over the months and over the years, it is going to shed or like get thinner. So while I was putting my hands through the hair or flowing my hands through the hair was not shedding. It is thick. It's a closure, 30 inches. So it comes with hair cap. It comes with hair clips and lashes. The hair is thick, black, and long. I would recommend any one of you guys to go ahead and purchase the hair. It's good quality. You will not miss a dime on your money spent on this product. You can go ahead and follow me on Instagram at elfinhair.com. Why am I keep telling you guys? I mean, Elfin Hair, if you guys want to send me some products in the mail now, you know what I mean? So, you can go ahead and purchase from them at www.elfinhair.com. Also, you can follow my Instagram at edwina.dorber or my crochet page at edripcrochet. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more hair reviews like this or a hair installment, which I don't know how to install my hair on camera because I've been practicing, but if you want to see more videos like this, definitely go ahead and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, turn your post notification bell on, and love you guys.